because it's all about the children.
Yeah, do you believe we need strength for unity and push back?
Yeah, you know, as I was saying there in my speech, you know, in Ireland we say, you know, you'll never beat the Irish, but now in the unity is you'll never beat the parents.
Yeah, good.
You'll never beat the parents because they've stepped over the line now.
Yeah.
And the parents are coming out of the woodwork literally to fight this, and that is what's happening. The only thing that's stopping us is the censorship that's happening across the board to try and push this back. But it's not working. We're beating the censorship because we're getting feet on the ground. They can't censor that. They can't censor that truth.
Yeah, there's a war of information, is there not?
It's an absolute war of information. That's why, you know, you have to get out onto the street. Doing the stuff online, it's half of the battle. The other half is getting out and actually speaking to people, getting the information into their hands so that they can go home to their families and save their family, because their families are under major attack. Your child is under serious attack and indoctrination to what's going on right now.
Okay, another question, brother.
Sure.
About how do you feel about transgenders teaching little 3-4-year-old children?
Well, I don't agree with
it. Is it grooming? I'd say it's grooming.
I say it's grooming. They're implementing their indoctrination onto them. They're passing it off as truth, not theory. You know, and there is no other truth than the trans rights. They're not expressing anything else, and it's the culture of Marxism that they're implementing on our children. So no, I don't agree with it. I believe kids should be learning natural law, you know, and the law.
Right.
You know, they're not
like
being
planting and
gardening,
things,
how to be self-sufficient,
exactly.
you know, how to teach yourself.
Exactly,
you know,
brother.
we don't get any of that.
What's going on?
We get none of that, man. We get none of that. So that's what we need for the kids. The kids need all that. Teach them how to critically think for themselves, because, you know, if, as I was just saying there a while ago, if we wait another 5 or 10 years, man, it's game over. It's either now or never. It's now or never for our children.
I mean, do you believe if I said to you about peaceful revolution needed, is it going to go around the corner?
Yeah, you know, the way this is picking up, you know, it's breathing a life of its own. And what way that's going to go, what way it's going to spill over, I don't know. But all I know is they're coming through our front doors for our kids. How you interpret that is up to you, and what you do about that is up to you.
Yeah, and do you think we're in like a spiritual warfare?
100%
do you think it's coming right in our face now?
Well, if you can see the spiritual attack that we're under, how they're turning every truth upside down, well, you really are lost, because that's how Satan is working against us. This is the spiritual war, and his last dice are thrown, because he's running around like a roaring lion right now, because his time is short, and that's why he's targeting the kids to keep his power, you know.
Okay, is there anything to add, brother?
No, look, everybody just has to get out and do their little bit. Don't rely on me or anybody else here that's doing the work.
We've got to be their own hero.
Got to be your own hero. Get out and do the work. You can do it. Learn the law and become your own boss, you know, and protect children at all costs. #protect children.
Right, God bless you, brother.
Cheers, mate, no
can
problem,
I give my card?
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, look up your...
Yeah, I've been deleted everywhere, brother.
No
God bless you. Nice to see you, mate. See you now.